Speaking of cryptocurrency, crypto market it had a bit of a flash crash, and it's been held down quite a bit from all-time lows over the last couple of days because of everything going on with Joe Biden, potential tax plans that are going to be released. And one of these plans is essentially proposing a 39.6% capital gains tax on people earning more than $1 million. So really, this doesn't affect 99.9% of people out there, but with everything going on in the crypto space right now, a lot of people have made millions of dollars. They've made a lot of money. And so what happened is when this proposed plan tax cut came out, people were worried that, if they held on to some of these things longer, they'd have to pay really, really high capital gains taxes. And so it caused a bit of a sell-off, like a massive sell-off, and that is why the prices dropped. We saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all cryptos drop, really except for Dogecoin. Dogecoin has dropped significantly from like 40 cents per coin down to about 25 to 30 cents per coin, but still, Dogecoin has been the one that's been holding up the best. We still have seen it recover and continue to go up higher over the last couple of days. According to Ruud Veldkamp, CEO at automated crypto trading bot Crypto Hopper, he said, "I don't think Biden's tax plans will have a big impact on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has only gone up for a long time. It's only natural to see a consolidation. Traders are simply cashing in on winnings." So that's what we're seeing. People are getting a little fearful about what might happen with taxes. They don't want to have to pay high taxes. So that's why a lot of these people are cashing out on some of their cryptos right now. It doesn't mean they're like taking all their money out of it, but they want to lock in some games at a lower tax bracket than if this bill is to pass and if we are to see a higher tax rate of 39.6% actually happen. So be interesting to see. Right now, a lot more people are getting into the crypto market because of Coinbase's IPO. It gives more people access. It gives institutions more access to investing in crypto because institutions can't invest directly into Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of these ETFs and funds, they can't invest directly into it, but they can invest into Coinbase. They can invest into Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Ethereum ETFs, and things like that. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. But ultimately, I don't think this will have too much of a long-term impact on the crypto market because really people got worried. They wanted to, cash in some gains, lock in some gains, make sure they would have to pay lower taxes than if it were to go through. Long-term, this shouldn't really have too big of an impact, though.